G1. The G1 is used to print substrate strips with gravure inks in ink film thickness, which simulates actual practice. The prints are used, among other things, for spectrophotometric or visual appraisal of the color to determine gloss, abrasion resistance, adhesion and flexibility of the ink on all sorts of substrate, ranging from paper to plastic film. The G1 is suitable for all sorts of gravure inks, both solvent-based and water-based. The G1 functions like a printing press. An engraved printing form, printing disc, a doctor blade, the substrate and an impression cylinder. The printing force can be set between 100 and 1000 N. The printing speed can be set between 0.2 and 1 meter per second. The printing discs from which a choice can be made are electromechanically copper engraved and chromium plated. The discs are available in various patterns and with several screen rulings. The engraved disc and the doctor blade holder with doctor blade are slid onto the G1. The substrate carrier with the substrate is placed on the substrate guide on the right. The engraved disc is pressurized by depressing the button on the left of the G1. The doctor blade is simultaneously moved against the engraved disc. A few drops of ink are dripped into the nip between the doctor blade holder and engraved disc with a pipette. The print is made by depressing the button on the right of the machine. At the end of the printing process, the machine stops automatically and the engraved disc and the doctor blade are automatically depressurized after the buttons are released. When water-based inks are used, the disc, doctor blade and printing form must be cleaned immediately. It is important that a print can be made which resembles actual practice in density and printing quality. The printing force setting depends upon the nature of the ink and substrate. The printing speed is selected on the basis of the viscosity of the ink used. Initially, the following settings are recommended. Printing force 400 N at a speed of 0.2 meters per second. Depending upon the printing result, the settings are altered. The print made can be used for visual, spectrophotometric or other kinds of appraisal. In addition to the G1, IGT can also provide the F1 and the C1.